Signal. And away. Great Game was just fairly into stride. Galaxy Dane seemed to hop out pretty well. Awade is showing speed. Great Game is now starting to gather some pace. Will settle down about third or fourth, it would seem. Freddie Two Shoes is out wider on the track with Sunset Prince getting up along the fence. Back behind those runners came Bassano, and then after a length came Celestial within his own time. And towards the tail end are Arabian Storm along with Reach Out. So they head past the 800. It's away outside of Galaxy Dane sharing the front. A length and a half to Great Game. He's in a great spot now. He's third travelling off the fence outside of Sunset Prince. A length to Bassano and then Celestial in his own time. Freddie Two Shoes, Arabian Storm and Reach Out is last as they travel around the corner at the 450. Galaxy Dane just had the front here from on the outside Wade, and joining in now is Great Game, and Bassano comes off his back to challenge strongly, and then Sunset Prince followed Freddie Two Shoes and Celestial, but at the 200 it's Great Games and Bassano who are the two that battle out the race. Great Game, Bassano's drawn to a narrow lead, so Great Game has to lift a bit here, but Bassano's about a neck in front of Great Game. Bassano in front and holds off Great Game to win it. Bassano about a half neck to Great Game. 3 lengths away third Sunset Prince, and fourth was Reach Out. Then came Arabian Storm and Freddie Two Shoes, Celestial, and in his own time, a margin off to Wade, and Galaxy Dane pulled up at the rear.